So yes, Mamta, very good morning.
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. Very good morning.
Okay. How is everything going on at your home?
Yeah, sir. Everything is good. What about you?
Doing well. Thank you so much for asking. Yes, everything is all right. Hope to continue. Give your brief intro.
Okay, sir. Sir, I want to say once again good morning. It's my pleasure to introduce about myself. My name is Madhumamta. I am from Bundu, but now I live in Ranchi. As far as my qualification is, I have completed my master's with entomology specialization and B.Ed, and now I am pursuing for government job. Coming to my family background, we are 4 members in my family, including me. My hobbies are wandering new places and playing chess. My biggest strength is I never give up and always keep patience and always try to learn something new. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
So you always try to learn something new, right?
Yes, sir.
So today what did you
It doesn't matter from which end.
Right. So today what did you learn? What was the new thing you got today?
Sir, today I learned how keep patience whenever we become angry.
That is your first question. How to keep patience?
Sir, on that time we shouldn't say anything. If it's possible, then we always shut our mouth.
Right. So if someone beats us, then also keeping quiet is better.
Sir, on that time we leave that place.
Leaving the place is a better option, you feel?
Yeah, sir, because we can't stop fighting.
Right. So yes, you are having a good amount of brain. That is fine. Okay. By profession, what do you do right now?
Sir, right now I teach in a school.
Which kind of things you teach? Which kind of subjects generally you teach?
Sir, biology and chemistry.
Biology and chemistry.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Classes?
Sir, up to 10.
Great. So Hindi medium or English medium?
Sir, English medium.
English medium. So after learning English, you went to the school or before that?
Sir, after learning.
How did you learn that? The story of learning English.
Okay, sir. Sir, in starting time, whenever I give interview in any school, on that time I was good in my subject. On that time I faced hesitation to speak English. But after joining this session, I overcome from my hesitation.
So, okay, according to you, what is the actual meaning of hesitation? Why do we generally hesitate?
Sir, we think that maybe we are wrong and the person who stand or sit in front of us, he or she is good.
So, aren't you good? Don't you think you are a good person?
Sir, in our mind there is answer, but we can't express it through our word.
Okay, great. See.
That feels us hesitation.
Fine. See.
Or makes us hesitation.
Okay. All the things are just about the confidence. Right. If you are having the confidence, you will not feel any kind of hesitations. Hesitations comes when you are not having confidence. So try building up the confidence.
Yes, sir.
If you really want to kick away the hesitation, right?
Yeah, sir, due to lack of confidence.
Due to lack of confidence. That is the problem. Okay, yes, Diwali is about to arrive. So preparations of Diwali?
Preparation of Diwali. Yeah, sir, before Diwali we all start to clean our home. Okay. Some kids, they start to make clay house.
Okay.
Especially for Diwali. And some people who have interest in crackers, all they buy different type of crackers for Diwali. And in our home we start to prepare different type of sweets or cook different type of dishes, especially for Diwali. And we invite during Diwali we invite our friends, neighbors and also our relatives with whom we celebrate Diwali.
So are you fond of sweets?
No, sir.
Reason?
Sir, because of too much sweetness.
Okay.
It harm our health. That's why.
Great. See, as you spoke that after learning English, you got the job of the teacher, right? Right now you are a proper teacher. The question is, how did the English help you to be a teacher?
Sir, English develop confidence in myself, and in front of them it doesn't matter your grammar is wrong or right.
Okay.
They all time notice your way of talking, your way of confidence, that thing, sir.
So any interesting story what just happened in your school while taking classes, or not taking classes? Any interesting story you would like to share with us?
Yeah, sir, definitely. That is a CBSE boarding school, but sometimes what happened that children come from different type of family background. Some are know about English, some have problem some have problem to understand English. On that time, if I talk with them in Hindi, on that time all they are comfortable and they make noise. But whenever I start to say any word in English, on that time they can't produce any type of noise and suddenly they keep quiet.
So don't they say anything when you speak in English in front of the people who don't know?
Yeah, sir, I think they face some problem.
Okay. As you spoke, few students can speak in English and few students can't, right? So how do you manage the class at that time?
Sir, on that time, whatever I have told in English, I translate it into Hindi.
Okay. So do you teach in both the languages, Hindi and English, both? English?
Yes, sir. I use bilingual.
Okay. One misconception is there that in English medium schools, mostly or most of the students are already well designed with the English language. Is it true? Do they speak in English comfortably, clearly?
No, sir. They only speak whatever they have wrote.
Okay.
Otherwise, if I ask them any new sentence or any new question, on that time they can't be able to say even one sentence or 2 or 3 words.
So if you have studied from a Hindi medium school or someone has studied from English medium school, which one do you prefer? On which one do you feel better?
Sir, I feel Hindi medium is best because on that place we have fear for English. On that time we always try to learn it.
It is always said that if you want to remove your fear, so you have to face the fear, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
And I want to share one thing that many people thought that CBSE board are good for English background and the children who studied in English medium school, all they are good in school, but this is not true.
That is true. Actually, I also felt that, while teaching, I experienced that. Honestly, if you want to become a good speaker, not only in English, in Hindi as well, you don't have to take admission in CBSE board or then directly I want to say that you don't have to take admissions in English language only or English medium schools only. You can study from anywhere, but yes, you just have that kind of dedication to learn any kind of language. As I always say, English is nothing to worry about. You can learn or speak in English easily. Just take that as Hindi language is there, another languages are there, just take that. Don't take that too seriously, right? Okay, for recording this video, and now we are just about to end up this, right? So how was the feeling before starting, and how is the feeling at the end of the recording video?
Sir, before this video I was studying for my next exam, and suddenly you text me that now we record.
Okay.
So on that time I feel some fear.
How are you feeling right now?
I think, yeah, sir, now I feel good and I feel that it's about my normal class.
So you might be feeling like, ab sab khatam ho gaya, chalo aaram mila, right?
Yes, sir.
So are you ready for the next one? Because soon we are going to record the next video as well.
Yeah, sir.
But yes, that time the questions will be different. I'm not going to ask this kind of easy questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, I'll not be asking the questions from mathematics and all. I'll be just asking the questions from biology language only. Okay? To join me.
Thank you, sir.
Soon we are going to upload this video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.